Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file and said they're trying to cut this out, and the triangles are cutting out not smooth. And you can see it right off the bat. There are like two lines right there. He evidently tried to draw triangles, and you can just see where there's multiple lines probably. Let's go up here and go to, let's click on it. Let's go to arrange and ungroup, and then let's zoom in on that spot. And now let's get our shape tool, and you can see that node goes past that line. So basically, and I've gone over this before in another video, but I thought I'd just show him on his. To draw that triangle with rounded corners, and that was actually his question, go to your polygon tool and pick a three-sided polygon. Hold down your control button so you get a perfect triangle. Then go up to Windows, Dockers, Corners, and pick Fillet, Rounded. I'm going to pick 0.05 and I'm going to apply. And there you have rounded corners. And of course, I would make it red to identify a hairline. And when you're doing that, Corel kind of shows you what it's going to look like. Let's click on it again. Let's put in another number so it'll, well, it's actually showing you right there before you apply it. So if that's too much, you could go down a little bit and you can watch your corners change and then hit apply. And then you have rounded corners. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.